how to use Revolut card abroad. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use your Revolut card abroad. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Revolut mobile app on your phone. Over here, go to the Cards tab and choose to get a new card. After that, you can decide whether you want a physical or virtual card. Then manage the card settings according to your preferences. Once the card appears under your cards list, it will be ready to use abroad. When you make a purchase abroad, Revolut will automatically check the currency of the transaction. If your account does not have that specific currency, Revolut will convert your local currency into the required currency using their exchange rates. If you want to be more prepared, set up an account in the specific currency you need. After that, you can load your account with that currency, which avoids the automatic currency exchange process. Regardless of whether you choose to rely on automatic exchange or set up a specific currency account, you can use your Revolut card abroad. Just make sure the card is linked to your account and visible under the Cards tab. So that's how you can use your Revolut card abroad. That's all for this video.